In today's fast-moving world of electronics, precision and reliability are everything. Whether you're a professional engineer, technician, or advanced DIY enthusiast, having the right digital oscilloscope multimeter can make all the difference. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best digital oscilloscope multimeters of 2026, carefully selected for performance, accuracy, advanced features, and real-world usability. From professional lab testing to field troubleshooting, these tools deliver precision you can trust. Watch till the end to discover which oscilloscope multimeter is the best investment for your work. All product links available in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5. FNIRSI 2C23T3 in-1 dual-channel digital oscilloscope multimeter. The FNIRSI 2C23T is a powerful 3-in-1 multifunction electronic testing tool combining a dual-channel digital oscilloscope, precision multimeter, and function signal generator in one compact portable device. White medium star key features. 3-in-1 multifunction tester. Digital oscilloscope plus true RMS multimeter plus function signal generator in one portable unit. Dual-channel digital oscilloscope. 10 MHz bandwidth per channel with 50 ms/s real-time sampling for accurate waveform capture. Integrated function signal generator. Generate test waveforms for circuit development, debugging, and signal simulation. High-precision true RMS multimeter. Measures AC/DC voltage up to 1000 V and current up to 10 A with reliable accuracy. Large color display. Clear waveform visualization and intuitive interface for easy operation. Portable handheld design. Compact, lightweight, and ideal for field testing or lab use. Wide measurement capability. Supports voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and waveform analysis. Rechargeable and energy efficient. Long operating time with built-in rechargeable battery. Technical specifications. Device type. 3-in-1 oscilloscope plus multimeter plus signal generator. Oscilloscope channels dual channel. Bandwidth 10 MHz times 2. Sampling rate 50 ms/s. Multimeter type true RMS. Voltage measurement AC/DC up to 1000 V. Current measurement up to 10 A. Signal generator built-in function output. Display color LCD screen. Power supply rechargeable battery. Form factor handheld portable. Available now on Amazon and AliExpress. At number 4. ZOYI ZT703S3 in-1 oscilloscope multimeter. The ZOYI ZT703S is a professional-grade 3-in-1 handheld electronic testing instrument combining a dual-channel digital oscilloscope, high-precision multimeter, and advanced signal analysis system in one compact device. White medium star key features. Heavy checkmark 3-in-1 multifunction measurement tool. Digital oscilloscope plus high-precision multimeter plus waveform analysis in one portable device. Heavy checkmark dual-channel 50 MHz oscilloscope. Accurate waveform capture with wide bandwidth for professional signal diagnostics. Heavy checkmark ultra-fast 280 ms/s sampling rate. High-speed real-time sampling ensures detailed and stable waveform display. Heavy checkmark large 3.5-inch IPS color display. Wide viewing angle and sharp resolution for clear waveform and data visualization. Heavy checkmark high precision 25,000 count multimeter. Advanced measurement accuracy for voltage, current, resistance, and more. Heavy checkmark portable handheld design. Compact and lightweight, perfect for field service, lab work, and mobile testing. Heavy checkmark professional signal analysis capability. Ideal for circuit debugging, electronics repair, and educational applications. Heavy checkmark rechargeable power system. Long battery life for extended operation without interruption. At number 3. TOOLTOP ET2010A digital oscilloscope multimeter. The TOOLTOP ET2010A is a compact handheld oscilloscope multimeter designed for everyday electronic testing, troubleshooting, and DIY projects. Combining waveform analysis and electrical measurement in one portable device, it delivers reliable performance for hobbyists, technicians, and field service professionals. White medium star key features. Oscilloscope plus multimeter combination. 2 essential electronic testing tools integrated into one compact handheld device. Heavy checkmark 1 MHz bandwidth signal analysis. Reliable waveform monitoring for basic circuit testing and signal diagnostics. 2.5 MSPS real-time sampling rate. Stable signal capture with clear waveform display for accurate measurement. Heavy checkmark auto waveform detection. Automatic signal recognition simplifies setup and operation, beginner-friendly. Color display screen. Clear waveform visualization and easy-to-read measurement data. Heavy checkmark portable handheld design. Lightweight and compact for mobile testing, field service, and DIY work. User-friendly operation. Simple controls and intuitive interface for quick measurements. Heavy checkmark energy efficient and rechargeable. Long working time for extended use. At number 2. FNIRSI 2C23T/2C53T Upgrade 50 MHz Handheld Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter Signal Generator 3. In-one dual-channel automotive diagnostic tool. The upgraded FNIRSI 2C23T/2C53T is a powerful 3-in-1 handheld testing instrument combining a dual-channel digital oscilloscope, high-precision multimeter, and function signal generator in one compact portable device. White medium star key features. 3-in-1 professional testing tool. Digital oscilloscope plus true RMS multimeter plus function signal generator in one device. Upgraded 50 MHz dual-channel oscilloscope. Wide bandwidth for accurate signal capture and waveform analysis. Heavy checkmark high-speed real-time sampling. Stable waveform display for detailed signal monitoring and diagnostics. Integrated function signal generator. Generate test waveforms for circuit debugging, calibration, and simulation. Heavy checkmark precision true RMS multimeter. Reliable measurement of voltage, current, resistance, and more. Automotive diagnostic capability. Ideal for vehicle sensor testing, signal monitoring, and electronic system troubleshooting. Portable handheld design. Compact and lightweight for mobile testing, field service, and on-site repair. Heavy checkmark rechargeable battery power. Long operating time for extended professional use. At number 1. ZOYI ZT703S3. In-one handheld oscilloscope. The ZOYI ZT703S is a professional 3-in-1 handheld automotive diagnostic instrument combining a dual-channel digital oscilloscope, precision digital multimeter, and built-in signal generator. White medium star key features. Heavy checkmark 3-in-1 professional diagnostic tool. Oscilloscope plus digital multimeter plus function signal generator in one handheld unit. Heavy checkmark dual-channel 50 MHz oscilloscope. Simultaneous signal monitoring for accurate waveform comparison and analysis. Heavy checkmark automotive testing capability. Ideal for diagnosing sensors, actuators, ignition systems, and vehicle electronic modules. Heavy checkmark integrated signal generator. Generate test waveforms for system simulation, calibration, and debugging. Heavy checkmark high-precision digital multimeter. Measures voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and more with reliable accuracy. Heavy checkmark portable handheld design. Compact and lightweight for field service, mobile repair, and workshop use. Heavy checkmark clear color display interface. Easy waveform viewing and measurement monitoring. Heavy checkmark rechargeable battery power. Long working time for continuous professional diagnostics. Available now on Amazon and AliExpress.